Mr. Chan back at you again with tutorial number 2 on the TinkerCAD. Check it out. This is number 2. It says paste an image of what is on the other side of this curtain. So there's the curtain. You need to paste your image right here where it tells you to paste it. So I got to go back to TinkerCAD, open it up, and here we go. It says, in this lesson you will learn to check out your designs by changing your view. Well, I got to see what's on the other side of this curtain, so I say next, and it tells me what to do. I hit next. It tells me how I can do it. All right, and then once I've learned how to do it, I can spin it to the other side, and I see, oh, that's what's on the other side of that curtain. It's a dude. So I'm going to use my snipping tool again. I'm going to paste that. Yep. Go back to my document, and I'm going to paste it right here so that I get full credit to show what's on the other side of that curtain. And that is it for this one.